Alright, so showing on the screen our withdrawal proof made by a lot of people from the Telegram group, from the previous deposit bonus which we actually dropped, and to prove to you that they made no deposit before these withdrawals were made. Now it used to give me crazy joy knowing fully well that people can actually trade with a no deposit bonus and make withdrawal from it. Now this right here, you can see on the screen are the withdrawal proofs, and there's no scam in this. Everything is clear right here on the screen. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you a $50 deposit bonus which people already claimed, and I'll be showing you process on how to go about it. You can see right here on the screen is a screenshot of the $50 deposit bonus in their MT5. Now firstly, let's take a little bit of our time to actually go through the terms and conditions of the $50 deposit bonus. Now you can see on the screen, firstly, you need to accumulate a total trading volume of at least 0.5 lots. Secondly, you can see make a minimum of 5 trades position, like you must open at least 5 trades before you can actually place withdrawal, and each trade must remain open for at least 5 minutes. Now each of the 5 required position must at least have 0.1 lots. Now you can actually open with 0.10, stuff like that. That's 0.1 lots. And lastly, once the withdrawal has been made, the $50 will be removed from the account. Now, we need to actually reach out to their support to know the countries eligible. But for Nigerians, this bonus is available for Nigerians. And you can see right here, it says make sure you actually go through the terms and conditions before participating with the broker. Now, this is a brief explanation of how the terms and conditions looks like. Now, to go about the site, you need to actually click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, and also the link will be added to the description, which you can actually click on and take to the Telegram group where you'll be getting the link to the site. Alright, now take this next seconds to actually subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and turn on your notification so anytime I drop a video, any no deposit bonus, you'll be the first to get notified without missing out any important aspects. Now back to the video. Once you get this aspect, once you click on the link and it brings you to this section, you just need to fill in your details into these boxes: your full name, your last name, email address, password, confirm the password, the country where you're from, your mobile phone number, and for this currency you put USD, and select individual for the account opening. Click on on this box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on register now after filling every single details. Clicking on register now, once it's done loading, then a message will be sent to your email address to confirm the email which you used in registering. Now something like this, you can see mine right here on the screen. Now this short message is actually what was sent to me, and immediately I got a message in my email which I just clicked on to verify my email address. Now you see confirm email address. This is what you click on. Once you click on it, then it brings you back to the site. Now I had a little bit of issue like this. Now if you have this same issue that shows invalid requests, you can just click on these 3 lines at the chain at the top, and then these 3 lines will take you to where you're actually going to log in into the site. Now you have to put in your login details once again. We should be logging you into the site. Like right here, you put in your email address and your password. You should be able to log you back to the site. Alright, so immediately it is done loading, and this is where I was brought to. Now you can see my personal details. I need to complete that, fill in my personal details, referral code, nationality, and you can see the street name, everything that has to do with your address. You put it right there, and immediately you are done filling in the details, you scroll down to the bottom and you click on next. Now immediately you click on next, the second section asks you to fill in your financial information. Once that is being filled, you'll be asked to submit your document for verification. Now that's the third section. You can see upload documents. Now once you're done filling every details, and it remains this side that says upload documents. Now they actually use some sub, which is actually where you're actually going to be submitting your document for verification, and you also be doing a lively check, which is actually what you'll be using to verify your account. Now once that is done, you're done with the verification after submitting your details. If you come back, click these 3 lines at the top and you click on my profile, you see where you actually see every single details right here on the screen, and it has been marked that it has been verified. I've been verified right here. Now once you've been verified, you need to click on these 3 lines at the top, come back to this section that says support. Now once you click on support, it brings us right here. You need to add tickets. It's almost like does the same thing from the previous no deposit bonus which you actually did. It's almost the same thing. Now add tickets. See this section that says the title. You actually click on the first option you see, which is general query. You click on it, and for the subject you put in no deposit bonus. Once you put in no deposit bonus, and in this section that says message, you need to put I would love to be credited with the $50 deposit bonus into my trading account. This is what you actually type into the message right here. You can see me doing this right here. I would love to be credited with the $50 no deposit bonus into my trading account. That is what you type, and once you don't type in the message, you scroll up a little bit and then click on send. Now a message will be created, a ticket will be created under this aspect, which will be sent to their support team, and they will open the ticket and actually resolve your message. Now for the next aspect, you need to click on the three lines and then click on trading account in the option provided. You can see it right here on the screen. After clicking on the three lines, you see trading account in the options. Now once you click on trading account, which means we're actually going to open a trading account. Now it will bring us to this aspect right here. You see trading summary, trading activity, and trading history. Now you can see there's real, there's demo. You click on real, and then it brings this option right here, account comparison table and stuff like this. Now you select standard for the account type, and in this section you put in your password. The password which you created earlier when opening an account is what you input into this section. Now once that is done, you click on submit request, and a trading account will be opened on your behalf. Now you'll be shown login details on your screen like this, and make sure you take a screenshot of the login details because you'll be needing the password once you want to log into your MT5. So you take a screenshot like this, and then you close this right here. Now also you'll be sent email of your trading account. You'll be sent message to your email of your trading account. So once you have that, you can actually just log in the details to your MT5, and after logging into your MT5, then you expect the support team to actually complete your ticket which you actually opened. Once the ticket is being reviewed, you'll be credited with the $50 deposit bonus into your MT5, and you can start trading. And I'm sure every one of us paid attention to the terms and conditions which I explained before the beginning of the video. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification like I said earlier, so that you get notified anytime I drop a no deposit bonus, and you can just go straight to claim it without wasting time. Have a nice day, guys.